Hi, good morning. My name is Umair Mehboob and I'm becoming a silver trainer with Dr. Moiz Hussain. The experience so far has been quite phenomenal. I wasn't expecting in a span of just 3 days that I'll so immediately be able to make a presentation in front of people. And that's quite fascinating. But I would definitely recommend you to go through this course. It's a very formulaic course where and the way they design the course, it just makes things much easier for you to understand and go ahead and train other people. And my intention is definitely to start spreading this knowledge all over the world, inshallah.
तो मेरे सिल्वा ट्रेनर तुम बन रहे हो, but what about सिल्वा? तुमने सिल्वा ट्रेनर से पहले सिल्वा कोर्स
I did Silva before Silva trainer, and I did it barely 3 months ago, and I mean that alone has been, the results have been phenomenal. I mean, the amount of my visualization power has just taken leaps and bounds, you know. I never knew, like, even I started painting recently and I never knew that I could paint, and because of Silva, when I would go to my lab level, I would just close my eyes and I could see a whole universe that I could paint. Nothing was in 2D anymore, you know, colors and everything was possible. And it's just, now the moment I close my eyes, everything is just so vividly colorful, you know. I never thought I could imagine with such colors. It's quite fascinating. And
तुम्हारी already the dynamic personality है, why did you need Silva? Because you have a dynamic personality, mashallah. You're confident. You are, mashallah. You did NLP trainer as well. Now you're doing Silva trainer. What motivated you?
See, my main goal was definitely personal growth. You know, I mean, everyone will have different reasons, finances, health, but for me it was personal growth. I really felt like I had some belief in myself that there's more to me than meets the eye. But I felt like something is missing. I'm not able to, you know, properly assess my thoughts perhaps. Too much going on in my head. You know, I was diagnosed with ADHD when I was a very little kid. And I think because of that, there's been clutter in my head. But like with Silva, it's like, you know, because everything is so organized, it's like it's helped me declutter my mind. You know, I can focus on my problems and find solutions quite easily. And beyond that, the manifestation that's happening. I mean, beyond everything else, the manifestation, everything just seems to be working out. Finances, you know, I just think about something, it happens, you know, within the span of 3 days. Someone wasn't talking to me for the span of 10 months. And all I did was I started visualizing them very clearly, and all the suggestions that are clearly mentioned in the guides. And they just called me within 3 days. So now I feel like so much more in control of my own life, you know. It's just remarkable.
So, where do you live?
I live in Dubai. I live in Victory Heights, next to Sports City.
Address
Oh, I forgot, it's all over the world.
So now, mashallah, after doing Silva Basic, now you have become a trainer.
Yeah.
And inshallah, you'll be training in Dubai.
Inshallah, definitely.
Inshallah, you will be training in Dubai. So, how do you see and how do you feel that Silva benefit कर सकता है किसी को उसकी ज़िंदगी के अंदर? किन areas में benefit कर सकता है?
अच्छा, I was very surprised कि जब ये course के through मैं गया हूँ कि I hadn't heard about this before, because I've always been on a quest of, you know, self-discovery, always watching videos and motivational speakers. I don't know why I didn't come across it. So I really want to take this forward, especially because I feel like people should have this knowledge, you know. As I started researching about Silva as well, I realized that there's so many greats who've actually followed through, like Mind Valley, the owner of Mind Valley, Vishen Lakhiani, you know, warrants all his success to Silva itself, you know. But because I think it's such an old program, you know, maybe people need to, you know, get awareness again about it. But my goal is not only that it's helping myself, but I want to start, you know, making other people get aware of it as well.
So, किन area में Silva help कर सकता है? Silva जो student के basic का program है, people would learn Silva. हाँ. तो सीखना ही सिर्फ Silva को कितने level पे help कर सकता है?
I mean, the more I think about it, the more I think the opportunities are it's boundless, you know, because everyone on basic, if you think about it, the most basic things that we have problems in our lives are finances, our health, and relationships. I mean, those 3 things are by default just covered in this, you know. Beyond that, I mean, if you think about it, for students, for example, you know, study techniques, you know, it's just, I mean, now I just close my eyes, whatever I have to present, I just quickly run through it in my head, and it just happens by default, you know. Before I thought that I couldn't study, I thought maybe perhaps I was dyslexic, you know, I'm not made for the school system. But this has helped me because I would be more creative rather than logical. You know, school has always, you know, catered more to people who are more logical, who can, you know, stick to the book. But now I feel like it doesn't matter. If I have these techniques and these tools in hand, I can still be successful. I really regret that I didn't have this back in high school and university. Things would have been much different. Definitely.
Thank you so much. So माशाल्लाह उमैर जो है जो सामने बैठे हैं हमारे, ये रहे उमैर. Hi.
Hi.
He did his Silva 4 months back, and then Istafa Islamabad mein he has become a Silva trainer. He has done NLP training as well from us, and inshallah he will be training in Dubai soon.
One last thing I want to add that
कह रहे हैं मुझे कैमरा से मत हटाएं. मैं बिल्कुल नहीं हटा रही.
I thought I used to be camera shy. But anyways, one last thing I want to add is the fact that I realized that the best way to learn something is by teaching it to others. So being a trainer is the best way to make sure that you have all the knowledge in mind. Silva की कुछ चीजें जो मैं by default miss हो रही थी, दिमाग से निकल रही थी, अब now it's like, you know, it's becoming like clockwork for me.
तुम कराची में सिल्वा करना है और वीकेंड पे हो रहा है.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Maybe everybody want to come and meet you. Anyway, thank you guys. We will be sharing testimonies of people, who have done Silva as a student, not as a student like school ke student, but as they have learned Silva SLS life system and Silva intuition system. जो करना चाह रहे हैं कराची के अंदर, so it would be a nice, I would say, a nice explanation for them to know कि Silva से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. So Silva can cater, Silva life system will help you to cater all the things that you want to do in life, from health to habit control to headache control to sleep control. बड़ी सारी टेक्निक्स सिखाने के. आपके सोने की आदत, अगर आपको नींद नहीं आती तो आपको नींद किस तरह लानी है अपने आप को, अगर आप नहीं सोते विदाउट द यूज़ ऑफ ड्रग्स, अगर आपने अपनी कोई आदत को छोड़ना है, किसी आदत को कंट्रोल करना है, वेट मैनेजमेंट, इसके अलावा सिल्वा लाइफ सिस्टम जो हमारा पहला पार्ट है, तो उसके अंदर इसके अलावा अपनी इमेजिनेशन को किस तरह आपने स्ट्रेंथन करना है. Is because, as Einstein said, imagination is more powerful than knowledge. So how to enhance your imagination वो Silva life system के अंदर होगा. And the second part is intuition system, जिसके अंदर अपने जहन के उस पावर को कैसे उजागर करना है या पॉलिश करना है कि जिससे आप intuitively, आगाही के साथ अपनी चीज़ों को या अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकें. द मेन थिंग आई वुड से इन सिल्वा, जो मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्ट की थी बहुत साल पहले, दैट वाज जस्ट वन थिंग जो मैंने इनकी पढ़ी थी वेबसाइट पे, एंड दैट वाज ए थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. सो सिल्वा लाइफ सिस्टम एंड सिल्वा इंट्यूशन सिस्टम टुगेदर इज अ कॉम्बो, एंड इट टीचेस यू हाउ टू थिंक outside the box, how to think without limitation, and how to solve problems from not only from conventional way, because there could be many other ways to solve a certain situation. लेकिन हमारा mind उस certain situations या उस certain solutions की तरफ नहीं जाता, is because we are too focused on the problem. So I would say Silva teaches you to focus on the solution rather than to the problem. So see you on Friday in Karachi. Silva is starting in Karachi from 5th onward. So inshallah we'll see you in Karachi. अभी जो हम कराची में कर रहे हैं वो हम कर रहे हैं Silva स्टूडेंट के लिए, स्टूडेंट्स लेवल कर रहे हैं, जिसके अंदर आप सीखेंगे कि Silva को आपने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कैसे यूज़ करना है. Silva लाइफ सिस्टम और Silva इंट्यूशन सिस्टम. कोई भी कर सकता है इस कोर्स को. हाउस वाइफ्स कर सकती हैं, बिजनेस पर्सन कर सकते हैं, स्कूल गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स कर सकते हैं. If you are trying to find yourself, you're trying to find your purpose, आप कर सकते हो. And then inshallah after Ramzan we will be doing Silva trainers in Karachi. So guys, best of luck for Silva, whoever is joining us. And thank you Kausar Rahman. You are she's a dentist जो भी कर रही हैं इस वक्त, उन्होंने माशाल्लाह कमेंट किया. शी इज़ अ डेंटिस्ट एंड शी इज़ वन ऑफ आवर वेरी ब्रिलियंट सिल्वा ग्रेजुएट एज वेल, क्योंकि इनकी तो बड़ी इंट्यूशन काम करती है. इनको तो किसी कोई चीज़ हाथ में तो फ़ोन से शी विल बी एबल टू टेल यू एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट. सो थैंक यू सो मच. मुल्तान में इंशाल्लाह वी गोना डू सिल्वा, और हम नहीं किए तो हमारे ट्रेनर्स होंगे वो आके ज़रूर करेंगे. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ रियली गुड डे. लव यू ऑल.